Hey, excuse me for a second.
Sure, what's up?
I forgot my notebook today.
Oh no, really?
Yeah, it completely slipped my mind.
That happens sometimes.
I was wondering if I could borrow yours.
For how long?
Just for this class, if that's okay.
I'll need it later.
I understand.
What do you need it for exactly?
To copy today's notes.
Did you miss the last class too?
No, just today.
Okay, that's better.
I promise I'll be careful.
You always say that.
And I always return it safely.
True.
So, is that a yes?
All right, you can borrow it.
Thank you so much.
Just don't bend the pages.
I won't, I promise.
And don't write in it.
Of course not.
Here you go.
Thanks again.
You're welcome.
You have really neat handwriting.
Thanks. I try to keep it clear.
Mine looks messy compared to this.
That's okay. Everyone's different.
Do you use colored pens?
Yes, it helps me remember better.
That's a good idea.
You should try it sometime.
I might.
Are you copying everything?
I'm trying to.
Focus on the main points.
Good advice.
The teacher talks really fast today.
Yeah, it's hard to keep up.
That's why good notes matter.
I agree.
Do you want me to slow down when I explain later?
That would help a lot.
No problem.
Do you always sit in the front?
Most of the time.
Does it help?
Yes, fewer distractions.
I usually sit in the back.
That explains a lot.
Hey,
Just kidding.
maybe I should change my seat.
You should.
I'm almost done copying.
Take your time.
I don't want to keep it too long.
It's fine.
Do you mind if I take a photo of this page?
That's okay.
Thanks for trusting me.
You're welcome.
Done.
Great.
Here's your notebook back.
Thanks. Everything looks fine.
I told you I'd be careful.
You kept your word.
I always try to.
Did you get everything you needed?
Yes, this helped a lot.
I'm glad.
I owe you one.
Just remember your notebook next time.
Definitely.
Do you want me to share notes later too?
That would be amazing.
We can study together sometime.
I'd like that.
When are you free?
Maybe this weekend.
Saturday works for me.
Perfect.
Let's plan it.
Thanks again for helping me out.
No problem at all.
I was really stressed.
I could tell.
Now I feel much better.
That's good.
You're really kind.
I try to be.
People should help each other more.
I agree.
Next time, coffee's on me.
Deal.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Coffee, definitely.
Same here.
Looks like we have good taste.
Seems so.
Class is almost over.
Yeah, time flew by.
Probably because we were talking.
True.
Just don't make it a habit.
Borrowing notebooks?
Forgetting yours?
Lesson learned.
Good.
Thanks again.
Anytime.
See you after class.
See ya.
Hey, one more thing.
Yes?
Your notes really helped me understand the topic.
I'm glad to hear that.
You explain things clearly.
Maybe I should be a teacher someday.
You'd be great at it.
Thanks. That means a lot.
All right, I'll let you go.
Okay.
Have a good rest of the day.
You too.
And thanks for the notebook.
You're welcome.
I won't forget mine tomorrow.
I hope so.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Take care.
You too.
This class wasn't so bad after all.
Sometimes help makes things easier.
True.
Don't be afraid to ask next time.
I won't.
Good.
All right, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks again.
Anytime.
I really appreciate it.
No problem.
See you later.
See you later.
Have a great day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Always.
I'm glad I asked.
Me too.
It worked out well.
Yes, it did.
Okay, I'm leaving now.
All right.
See you soon.
See you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.